Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make this iPhone 15 paper squishy. It is really easy to make, so let me show you how it works. First of all, we are going to unbox. And next, open the box. It's super duper cute. And I also love this color. And it's really squishy. Look how cute it is. Next, we're gonna open these things. I don't know what these are called. And this is the charger. Next, we are going to unbox the phone case. Let's take the scissor and open the top part. And take it out, and we got Kuromi. It is really cute and it is really easy to make. So if you want to see how to make one of these, let's get into the tutorial. So I have sketched everything before the video, so now I am going to outline everything with a black pen. Next, I also erased it with an eraser, and next I'm using like a pink color because I don't have a pink marker. So like that, I'm going to color in with like a dark pink, like the details which we can see. And next we are going to like do a lighter pink, like that. And I used a like black for the camera. And then color in the phone. Next, you are going to laminate it with tape and cut it out. Now you are going to fold all the edges. So next you are going to take a scissor and like cut these curved sides like that, and do the bottom part as well. After that, you are going to like seal the sides together with tape like I'm doing. Next, take a small piece of paper and like color in with a pink color, and then laminate it and cut it into like 4 pieces. Then you are going to take tape and like put them on one of them, and then like take the size of the strip, and then like you are going to attach them together and do the same thing with the other one. And now you are going to stuff it with cotton. And then close it up, and it's done. Your paper squishy is done. Next, I took like a white piece of paper and folded it in half, and then like you are going to write phone case on it. Like I'm using different color, like one is pink and one is blue, like that. And then you are going to like take a black pen and like I'm writing my channel name. And then like I'm using the same pink which I used for the phone case and like make these design. Like I don't know what to make, so I did this. And then color in with a lighter blue, like the baby blue. And then you are like going to trace like the front of the iPhone for the like phone case, and then like also like trace the camera. And then you are going to outline it with a black pen and erase the sketch mark. Then you are like going to make a face of someone, like I don't know what to say, like I'm making Kuromi, you can do anything like that. And then color in. And then you are going to use a lighter pink and color in the whole phone case. You can color it any way you like. And I also like draw a stripe which is like the same size of the phone case and laminate it with tape and then cut it out. Next I'm like actually going to cut in this camera area so that like we can see the camera through this phone case, like that. Then you are like going to attach the strip which we made together, like that, and follow the same steps, and it's done. Next take a small piece of paper and fold it in a circle shape, and then use double-sided tape and attach this end, attach it to the phone case, and it's done. And then you are going to seal the sides and put it in and close it up. Next I'm doing the box of the iPhone. Then you are going to take a black marker and outline this iPhone, and then you are going to color in the iPhone. It was really hard to match the real one, but I tried my best to match it because it was really hard. I don't know, the colors were really hard to match, so yeah, I did anything I can. At the end it turned out like that, and then you are going to laminate it with tape and cut it out and fold all the edges like I'm doing, and take a small piece of tape and cut the sides if they're too big, and then attach them together and repeat the steps. Next I'm doing the bottom part of the iPhone box. I don't know what to write on the box, so I did these scribbly lines. And then you are going to laminate it with tape. And then cut it out and fold all the edges like that. And then you are going to attach the sides and do the same step. Next I have these type of two strips, and then I'm going to make a green circle, and with white I make this arrow and then attach it with double-sided tape like that, and do the same thing with the other one, and it's done. Next the front screen of the iPhone, and then laminate it and cut it out. Then you are going to use double-sided tape and tap and put it on our iPhone, and it's done. Next you are going to take this type of things, I don't know what to say, and then you are going to outline it with a black pen and then color in. And then you are not going to laminate it, you are only going to cut it out. And then you are going to fold all the edges and take them together like that. And then you're going to put these all stuffs in like that, and it's done. Next I have already outlined everything, and then you are going to color in the charger and cut it out and cut inside of the charger, and then we are going to put everything in like that and close it up, and it's done. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Bye bye.